click on settings, then here click on personalization, then click on background. Here we can choose the image to set the background. And here you can see background image has been changed. Like that you can choose different images, and here you can see the background image has been changed. There are some more options are available. You can select and check. Click on personalization, then click on colors, and here you can choose your mode. There is a dark mode, there is a light mode, and there is one more mode is there, which is custom mode. When you select, you can see the difference. And click on lock screen. Here you can set the lock screen images. You can choose the image, and that will be displayed in the lock screen. Click on screen timeout, and here you can see power and battery related options.